And today I'm gonna be playing Battle Playground to get Blood tutorial. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is get Tails. The reason that I know he can't fly though. So we're gonna change that. And amazing. Alright, yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to let me show you. So you're gonna go to this right here. When let me change it. You go to this. Okay, so you go to that. And then you want to get this right here. The propeller. So you get it and face it this way. Now I'm going to keep this big because I want to hurry it up. Flip it to right. Flip it this way. I'm going to flip it that way. Actually, I kind of want to make that small though. I'm not lying. It just keeps. Flip it. Just flip it if it does this. You can just flip it, guys. So if you're mad that it keeps flipping around, and that's bothering you, you just do that, and then, well, if you want this to be more easier, do just immorality Tails. Yeah, as you see, I just deleted him. So I'm not gonna say that because he's a furry. That's crazy. Okay, just because I'm using Mark's mod, doesn't mean that you really know that. Yo, Tails, what is he doing? Bro, mind your business, Tails. Mind your business, Knuckles. I'm not doing anything. You're a furry also. So why I got to talk to you? Alright, so now what you do is get this one. Yeah, get that. Alright. So you do that. And I'm just gonna disable his gravity. So it makes him easier to fly. I don't really know if I do it like that because apparently I was just watching Mark's Mod Workshop until he did this tutorial. Yo, Tails. What are you about to do, Tails? Knuckles, why don't you just stop worrying about me? That's what you're... Okay, so if you want to catch up to Tails, then you press this... Follow. You press follow. So he could be catched up. Yo, Tails, what did you just do? That's not fair, Tails. Come back. Sorry, bro. Gotta go somewhere. Oh. See? Guys, I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. If you were worrying about this tutorial for the best time. Yo, someone help me. This ain't fair. I wanna die. Oh, no. I fought. Oh. I don't know that hurt it, right? Well, it's about to hurt again. What you just say? It's about to hurt again. No, I said don't. Well, it's about to hurt again. Yeah, it's about to hurt again. It's about to hurt again. It's about to hurt again, huh? It's about to hurt again. 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 Bro. I would not ask for this if I was making the intro. Straight up, because you see knuckles in on the ground. Oh my god, I'm flying, you guys. Don't you see this? Bruh, you know what's up. Knuckles, tie my cup. Oh! Just put me down, Sonic the Gamer Hog. I know you're doing this, but I didn't really sign up for this. Whoa! Where am I going? You're going to heaven. Oh my god! I want to see God. Yay! Oh my god, you tricked me. Now I hate you.